How to use OneKeyCash on Expedia. So here I am on Expedia.com, and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now what you need to do is simply search out where you want to go. Let's say here, select the date, and let's search. You gotta see how much you have. So let's go to the account, and here we can see the OneKeyCash balance. And now you can select, for example, let's say I want to go to this hotel. Let's click on it. And what we need to do is reserve a room right here. Let's pay now because we're going to be using the OneKeyCash. And here you go. Get a one. Of course, you need to fill in all of this data right here. But here, as you can see, you can pay with OneKeyCash. So let's get started. Now it doesn't usually look like this. It usually looks like this. Simply just fill in your data and then click book now. And that's how to use OneKeyCash for Expedia. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.